How to eject external devices safely from Windows and Mac. It is not always easy to tell whether your computer is still accessing or writing files to external storage devices we use. Pulling a memory card out of its reader or removing an external device out of the USB port could cause corrupted files, unreadable media, or both. Ejecting your external storage safely decreases these chances. Whether you are using Windows-based computer or Mac, you can safely remove your external storage devices using built-in utilities designed for disconnecting hardware. On a Windows machine, close any applications currently using your external storage device, including any open windows that displays its contents. Locate the Safely Remove Hardware icon located next to the system clock on the taskbar by the system tray. You may have to expand it by clicking on the arrow. Click on Safely Remove Hardware icon to launch the hardware pop-up window. Then click your external hard drives icon or assign disk letter. Alternatively, go to My Computer or this PC from the desktop or the Start menu. Right-click on your device and select Eject. Wait for the Save to Remove Hardware message to pop up and remove your external storage device. Thank you for watching.